Never-ending circle. Oh, it ended. Oh, start up.
Throw a rock.
Why?
Make him run.
I'm not throwing a rock.
Why?
Besides, Booker's getting tired. Booker!
He'll never get tired.
Who?
Trust me. Booker. He's a puppy.
Hey.
Then I can put this on the TV. And, or I can save it to the computer.
You should save it to the computer.
And then put it on my MySpace or my website. Run, Booker, run!
Booker's having fun.
Booker's getting murdered in the race. Oh!
Booker! I don't like the sounds he's making.
I bet you that's Flash whining.
No, I'm pretty... That's Booker.
Flash, come here! Come here, bud!
Flash!
Come here! Now!